Did you know that your eyes are actually composed of more than 2 million working parts? Your eyes are amazing and complex organs that allow you to see the world and appreciate its beauty. But they also need proper care and protection, especially in our modern lifestyle. Every day, your eyes are exposed to various factors that can damage them, such as blue light from screens, UV rays from the sun, pollution, stress, and lack of sleep. These can cause eye strain, dryness, irritation, inflammation, and even vision loss. But what if I told you that there are some special drinks that can actually help you protect your eyes and repair your vision, according to studies? In this video, we will reveal the best 8 drinks that boost your eye health, improve your vision, and prevent eye diseases. We will also share with you simple and delicious recipes for how to prepare these drinks. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea is not only a delicious and refreshing drink, but also a powerful ally for your vision. One of the main reasons why green tea is beneficial for your eyes is that it's packed with antioxidants, which are substances that can fight against free radicals. Free radicals are harmful molecules that can damage your cells and cause diseases. Your eyes are very sensitive to free radicals, which can lead to problems like cataracts, macular degeneration, and dry eye. One of the most important antioxidants in green tea is called EGCG, which stands for epigallocatechin gallate. According to a 2010 study, EGCG can be absorbed by the retina, which is the layer of tissue at the back of your eye that converts light into signals for your brain. What's surprising here is that the retina and other eye structures absorbed EGCG for more than 20 hours after consumption. This means that green tea can provide long-lasting benefits for your eyes. In another study by Chosen University, researchers discovered that green tea catechins can protect human retinas from UV damage, which is one of the main causes of eye aging. So, how can you enjoy the benefits of green tea for your eyes? Well, all you need to do is drink at least 2 to 3 cups a day, preferably without adding sugar or milk, as these can reduce its antioxidant effects. You can also apply green tea bags to your eyes as a natural remedy for puffiness, redness, and irritation. Just steep the tea bags in hot water for a few minutes, let them cool down, and place them over your closed eyes for 15 minutes. You'll feel refreshed and rejuvenated in no time. Number 2. Spinach kale broccoli juice. This may sound like a weird combination, but trust me, it's nutritious and can do wonders for your eye health. Spinach, kale, and broccoli are all dark leafy greens that are packed with 2 antioxidants called lutein and zeaxanthin. These 2 compounds are found in high concentrations in the retina, which is the part of your eye that captures light and sends signals to your brain. Lutein and zeaxanthin act as natural sunscreen, which means that they help filter out harmful blue light that can damage your retina and cause vision loss. They also protect your eyes from oxidative stress, inflammation, and free radicals, which are factors that contribute to age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. For example, in a recent study, researchers found that participants who ate spinach, kale, or collard greens at least once a week had a 43% lower risk of developing AMD than those who ate them less than once a month. In another study done in 2013, researchers found that participants who had higher levels of lutein and zeaxanthin in their blood had a 40% lower risk of developing cataracts than those who had lower levels. So, by drinking spinach, kale, broccoli juice, you're getting a double dose of eye protection. To make this drink, you need a juicer, some fresh spinach, kale, and broccoli. Wash them well, chop them roughly, and put them in the juicer. You can add some water, honey, lemon juice, or ginger to enhance the flavor and the benefits. Drink your spinach, kale, broccoli juice in the afternoon or before a meal. It will fill you up with vitamins and antioxidants and keep your eyes healthy and happy. Number 3. Coconut water. Coconut water is not only a refreshing and delicious drink, but also a natural way to protect your eyes and improve your vision. Coconut water is rich in electrolytes, such as potassium, calcium, and magnesium. These minerals are essential for maintaining the fluid balance in your eyes and preventing dryness, irritation, and infections. They also help regulate the pressure in your eyes and prevent glaucoma, a condition that can damage your optic nerve and cause vision loss. For example, in a study done in 2016, Researchers found that participants who drank coconut water every day for 12 weeks had reduced intraocular pressure by about 30%. Coconut water also contains antioxidants, such as vitamin C and phenolic compounds. These substances can protect your eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can cause eye diseases. So, how can you enjoy the benefits of coconut water for your eyes? It's simple. You can drink it as it is from a small coconut, or add it to your smoothies, juices, or teas. Before we continue, if you have been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 4. Turmeric milk. This is a traditional drink that has been used for centuries in India and other parts of Asia. Turmeric is a yellow spice that contains curcumin, which is a powerful compound that has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties. According to studies, curcumin can help prevent and treat eye diseases that are caused or aggravated by inflammation, such as cataracts, glaucoma, and dry eyes. It can also protect the retina from oxidative damage and improve blood flow to the eyes. In fact, in a 2023 study, researchers found that the fermented turmeric milk reduced the inflammation, oxidative stress, and vascular leakage in the retina, and improved the visual acuity of the mice by about 30%. So how can you add this drink to your diet? Well, you can make your own turmeric milk at home by following this simple recipe. First, heat 1 cup of milk in a saucepan, then add 1 to 2 teaspoons of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, a dash of cinnamon, and some honey or maple syrup. Now, stir well and bring to a boil. Then, lower the heat and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. You can drink turmeric milk in the morning, before bed, or anytime you need a cozy and comforting beverage. Number 5. Carrot beet apple juice. This is a classic combination that not only tastes great, but also works wonders for your eyes. Carrots, beets, and apples are all rich in beta-carotene, which is converted in your body into vitamin A, which is essential for your eye health as it helps your eyes produce rhodopsin, which is a pigment that allows you to see in dim light. It also protects your eyes from infections and dryness. A lack of vitamin A can cause night blindness, conjunctivitis, or even complete blindness. So, make sure you get enough of this vital vitamin by drinking carrot beet apple juice regularly. But that's not all. Carrots, beets, and apples also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which we already know are great for your eyes. So, how can you make this amazing drink? Well, it's very simple. All you need is a juicer, some fresh carrots, beets, and apples. Wash them well, peel them if you prefer, and cut them into small pieces. Then put them in the juicer and blend until smooth. You can add some water, lemon juice, or honey to adjust the taste and consistency. Number 6. Fresh orange juice. This is a classic drink that you can never go wrong with. Oranges are excellent for your eye health as they contain flavonoids, which are plant compounds that give fruits and vegetables their color and have many health benefits. These flavonoids can protect your eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can damage your eye cells and tissues. In a recent study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, researchers found that people who ate at least 1 orange a day had a 60% lower risk of developing macular degeneration compared to those who never ate oranges. The study analyzed data from more than 2,800 participants over a 15-year period and found that the flavonoids in oranges were responsible for this protective effect. But that's not all. Oranges also contain high amounts of vitamin C, which helps your eyes produce collagen, which is a protein that provides structure and support to your eyes, especially the macula and the vitreous. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a glass of orange juice and enjoy its refreshing taste and eye-boosting power. Number 7. Berry smoothie. This is a sweet and creamy drink that you can enjoy as a dessert or a treat. Berries are one of the best fruits for your eyes, as they are loaded with anthocyanins, which are pigments that give berries their vibrant colors. These anthocyanins can improve your blood circulation, reduce inflammation, and prevent oxidative damage to your eye cells. For example, in a study done in 2019, researchers found that participants who drank a blueberry smoothie every day for 6 weeks had improved visual acuity and contrast sensitivity by about 10%. That's impressive, right? So how can you make this delicious drink? Well, it's very easy. All you need is a blender, some fresh or frozen berries of your choice, such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries. You can also add some yogurt, milk, or plant-based milk to make it creamier. You can also add some honey, vanilla, or cinnamon to make it sweeter. Blend everything until smooth and enjoy your berry smoothie as a breakfast, snack, or dessert. It will satisfy your sweet tooth and nourish your eyes. Number 8. Tomato juice. Tomato juice is rich in lycopene, which is a powerful antioxidant that gives tomatoes their red color. Lycopene can protect your eyes from free radicals, which are the harmful molecules that can damage your eye cells and tissues. Tomato juice also contains vitamin A, which is essential for your eye health, as we explained earlier. Other than that, tomatoes also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which are the antioxidants that accumulate in your eyes and protect it from harmful blue light. You can make your own tomato juice at home by blending fresh tomatoes with some water, salt, and pepper. You can also add some lemon juice, celery, or carrots to make it more flavorful. So, these were the best 8 drinks for your eyes. They are not only delicious, but also nutritious and beneficial for your eye health. By drinking them regularly, you can prevent eye diseases, improve your vision, and protect your eyes from damage. Remember, your eyes are precious and need your care and attention. So, don't neglect them. Now, we want to hear from you. Do you drink some of these drinks regularly? Did you experience some of these benefits? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.